Happy birthday, Sharon. I hope you were surprised. I so wanted to be there to surprise you in person and see your face and wish you a happy birthday and tell you how special you are to me and how much I would love to celebrate this milestone that we are hitting in this year. I would like to tell everybody there how much I appreciate having had you as a truly best friend when we were so young and at a time we now know is so important. I couldn't have asked for a better friend. I couldn't have asked for a better family to spend so much time with growing up. And I know that we changed a lot in the years that we were together. I think probably nobody at your party knows exactly how nerdy we were at times when we were little, doing our fashion shows and bake-offs and some of the silly stuff we did to play. But what great play it was. And I think that you had a big impact on who I became as a woman. And I just wish we saw each other more. The only good thing about me not being there today to celebrate with you in person is that it makes it such a priority that we get to spend some time together soon, catching up and celebrating. So get lots of hugs or socially distance waved or whatever from me. Know that I love you and I can't wait to see you soon. And and I'm going to toast you this weekend anyway. I will raise a glass to you. Actually, I would not use this at this point. It's an antique, but aren't you impressed to have it? Anyway, here's to our years together, your years since, and all the great years you have ahead that I hopefully is going to include us having some time together. Love you much. Enjoy your party.